All right, what's going on, guys? So in this video, we're taking some beef right here. I got this little chuck roast. We're gonna season it up and throw it on the smoker. Fry up some tortillas, make a homemade salsa, a little bit of cream, some chilies in there. It's gonna taste awesome, I hope. So stick around, guys, check it out. If you like tacos, there's no reason why you wouldn't like this, so here we go. All right, I got this little chuck roast right here. It's like 1.8 pounds, super small. It's gonna be a fast, easy little cook. Got this carne asada seasoning I've had for a long time. Basically use whatever seasoning you want to use. Salt, pepper, garlic, it really doesn't even matter. Just use whatever you want. Just don't go using any sugary rubs, because to me, sugar and beef, very rarely does that ever make sense, but that's just me. That's actually a lot of people. A lot of people don't like sugary beef rubs. All right, so we got the meat on. I'm gonna try to keep this around 250 degrees. I just wanna get some smoke on this. It's probably gonna take like 2.5 hours. Then we're gonna finish it up after that. All right, so for the salsa for this, I'm using tomatillos, basically a salsa verde with some jalapenos and some serrano chilies, a little bit of onion and garlic, cilantro, lime juice, and some avocado in there. Super simple. I made this a million times on the channel. So I'm just getting the husks off of these tomatillos. As far as the ratio goes with the salsa verde, basically, I just eyeball it. I'm now starting with 7 tomatillos right here. Just use a good base of tomatillos. Add the chilies to it. If you find that these are too spicy, obviously take the seeds out. I'm leaving them in, but you could use Anaheim peppers or some poblano peppers. Those are really good too. Just whatever you want to use. Now also, as far as cooking these, there's a bunch of different ways you could do it. You could boil them. A lot of people just throw these in water and boil the tomatillos. You could throw them under a broiler. You could grill them on a grill, but what I'm gonna do today is throw them on the smoker with that meat. I'm just gonna let them sit there, get kind of soft, you know, pliable, and then we're gonna blend them up, and I'll throw some fresh ingredients to mix with these. So I'm gonna get these on the smoker after I wash these, because they're a little sticky how they are. So wash them up and throw them on the smoker. So I'm thinking these are only gonna take about an hour, maybe a little bit less, but I just want these to soften up, get a little bit of smoke on there. That's pretty much it. All right, this is how the veg looks. Just over 1 hour on the smoker. Everything got all soft, nice and smoky. So I'm just gonna throw this in a blender. Woo, shit. So into a blender, I got like 1/3 of an onion. I'm gonna throw it in there. All the tomatillos, all those chilies. Got a few cloves of garlic, juice of 1 lime. Got 1 bunch of cilantro. I got 1 big ass avocado. I'm gonna start with about a 1/2 cup of water, then adjust it as I need it. Just make sure you check it for seasoning. Damn, you can taste the smoke in that. It tastes really good. Perfect amount of salt, nice and spicy. All right, this is what we're looking like, about 2.5 hours on the smoke. So at this point, just like always, you can get a foil pan. You can put any kind of liquid in there. You can put some onions and peppers and whatever you want to do, and throw them back on the smoker. You can throw them in a Dutch oven or a pot, throw it in the oven at 300 degrees. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw it in an Instant Pot, because I'm trying to hurry up and just get through this, because I'm pretty hungry and I'm not trying to wait around all night. So here we go. And so for the size of this chuck roast, you're not gonna need that much liquid when you throw it in the Instant Pot. So I got some boring, regular vegetable broth right there, and some Better Than Bouillon beef base. Just gonna use a fat teaspoon. That stuff's pretty salty. This vegetable broth, just pour it over. About a cup and a half, maybe a little more. Just dissolve that in there. Into the pot, we got that liquid. I'm just eyeballing some onion and serrano. Got that meat. A few cloves of garlic, a few bay leaves, sprinkle of some Mexican oregano going in there. A little splash of beer. We're gonna go 1 hour, it should be done after that. So right here, I just got some neutral oil in a pan. Just got it hot, it only took a couple minutes. Got peanut oil, you could use vegetable oil, whatever you wanna use. Just got some regular corn tortillas, just threw them in here. Get them nice and crispy. It only takes like a minute and a half. Super simple. Also to go with these tostadas, I got some beans chilling in a pot right here. Got that same pan, I got a little bit of that oil left in there. If I had some lard or some bacon fat, I would use that, but I'm just gonna throw some beans into this pan right here. Make sure you got a good amount of salt. Just gonna mash these up. We're just gonna keep this on like medium low. I don't want it to burn up. Got some grated queso right here. This is some habanero jack cheese. I'm gonna put a lot of cheese in there, or a good amount at least. I want these beans to have like a runny consistency just because of the tostadas. I mean, you know, it just depends on how you like them. Some people want them dried out a little more. They look good and cheesy to me. Look at that. A little taste for salt. Oh, that tastes super good. All right, now we got that meat after 1 hour. Looking pretty tender. So there it is, guys, some easy tostadas, smoky beef, cheesy beans. Got the shredded lettuce on there, a little cotija cheese. You could use queso fresco. I put the sour cream and that salsa on there with some lime at the end. Oh my God. Dude, that is super good. If I went to a taco truck and I ordered that, I'd be having a good time. But really nothing else to say about it, guys. Other than these are some bomb-ass tostadas. You should make them or go make some tacos. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, like the video, share the content. If you like the content, please share it. I'd appreciate it. Peace out.